Check out these videos. They're getting millions of views on TikTok and Instagram because they're engaging. Now here's the good news. You can also create these types of videos 100% free using AI and earn around $100 every day. Let's start the video, but first, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Step 1. Perfect AI prompts. To get top-tier results, you need the right prompts. You'll find the prompt in the description box. Go to ChatGPT and paste the prompt. Let it generate 10 to 20 variants. Hit generate and boom. You've got 10 high-quality prompts ready to go. Save them because you'll need them in Step 2. Step 2. Generating images. We'll use Leonardo AI for this. You get 150 free credits every day with this tool. Choose the Flux Dev model for more accurate results. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Perfect for TikTok and Reels. Done. Our image generation settings are ready. Now, copy the prompts from ChatGPT and paste them into Leonardo AI. Click Generate. Do this for every image you need. Step 3. Image to video generation. Now let's turn those images into stunning videos. We have several tools for this like Kling, Pika, Hailuo AI, etc. Today, we'll use Hailuo AI, which gives you 100 free credits daily. Click Create, then upload your image. Refine it with the same prompt that generated the image. This keeps the animation true to your concept. Now, hit the Create button and let the tool work its magic. After a short wait, voila, your video is ready. Step 4. Editing. Time to give your video that final professional touch. We'll use CapCut for this step. Import all your generated clips. Bring them into the timeline and arrange them based on your ChatGPT-generated storyline. Add sound effects to enhance the vibe. Apply some transitions. I like using the mix transition. Add text at the top of the screen using a bold font to grab attention. Now, export the video using high-quality settings. Let's see the final result. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.